Hi, we're making chocolate sponge cake with chocolate whipped cream. For the cake, start by heating a stick of butter and milk. Just until the butter has melted, add espresso powder and mix well. Set this aside. In a large bowl, add cake flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Whisk to combine. Then add in the milk mixture. Let this cool slightly while we make the meringue. Using a mixer, whisk 6 egg whites until foamy. Then add granulated sugar. Whisk until you get stiff peaks. To the batter, add in 6 egg yolks and vanilla extract. Whisk well before folding in the meringue. Transfer into a parchment-lined cake pan. Place the pan in a water bath. Then bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 75 to 85 minutes, or until a tester comes out clean. Let cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before turning onto a rack. To make the whipped cream, whisk heavy whipping cream, confectioner's sugar, cocoa powder with a bit of vanilla until we get stiff peaks. Cut the cake into layers with a serrated knife. Then fill it, frost it, and decorate it any way you like. Enjoy! For the full recipe, tips, and more, visit crumbs.com.